you're experiencing audio desynchronization while playing Fortnite, this guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the issue. Follow these steps to get your audio back in sync. Step 1. Check your audio settings. Start by opening Fortnite and navigating to the audio settings. Ensure that your output device is correctly selected and that the volume levels are appropriately set. Sometimes, simply adjusting these settings can resolve the issue. Step 2. Update your audio drivers. Outdated audio drivers can lead to desync issues. Go to your computer's device manager, find the audio section, and check for updates. If updates are available, install them and restart your computer. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. In Fortnite, go to the settings menu and try changing the audio quality settings. Lowering the audio quality or switching between stereo and surround sound may help fix the desync. Step 4. Check for background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using audio resources. Programs like Discord or streaming software can sometimes interfere with game audio, leading to desynchronization. Step 5. Reinstall Fortnite. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Fortnite. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing audio issues. Make sure to back up any important data before proceeding with the reinstallation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve audio desync issues in Fortnite. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Epic Games support for further assistance.